Are you a digital product creator, business owner, entrepreneur, or freelancer? Struggling to sell your digital services and products or find trusted solutions for your business? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Sell and Buy Digital Services and Products playlist, your ultimate guide to navigating the digital marketplace. Whether you're looking to sell with confidence or buy high-quality digital services, we've got you covered. If you are a seller, you will discover powerful strategies to market and sell your services effectively. Learn how to attract high-paying clients and boost your revenue. Master proven marketing techniques to stand out in a crowded marketplace. If you are a buyer, you will find trusted digital services and high-quality products that meet your needs. Learn how to choose the right professionals and avoid scams. Gain expert insights on the best tools, software, and solutions to grow your business. Turn your digital skills into a profitable business or find the perfect services and products to scale up. Make informed decisions, grow your online business, and succeed with confidence. Now, a quick disclaimer. Some links in this playlist may be affiliate links. If you make a purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps keep this channel running and allows me to create more valuable content. Results may vary. The strategies, tools, and programs shared here are for educational purposes only. There is no guarantee you will earn money using the strategies mentioned. Your success depends on your effort, skills, and market conditions. Always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment or business decisions. Lastly, the information shared in this playlist is based on my personal experience and research. I am not a legal or financial advisor. For any legal, tax, or business advice, please consult with a licensed professional.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Let us promote your digital services and products online to earn and grow with us today. Thank you for watching this video and have a good one.